Every second you're watching this intro, your business is losing money, and you don't even notice it. The game changed. AI isn't a trend, it's the weapon your competitors are already using to steal your market right under your nose. Still sending emails by hand, managing leads the slow way? It's like running a bicycle in Formula 1 race. Here's the harsh truth. You're only as fast, as profitable, as automated as your tools allow. And if you wait another week, your place in this digital economy, gone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use AI tools most entrepreneurs ignore. No excuses, no tech talk. Just step-by-step hacks you'll use before the sun goes down. Want to win? Let's go. Let's be brutally honest. Right now, over 95% of entrepreneurs in the US are just dreaming about using AI. Almost none are making real money with it. They watch videos like this one. They make lists of tools. And then, nothing. They keep working the same old exhausting way. Hoping for better results, but changing nothing. Meanwhile, that 5% is out there systematically replacing you, winning your clients, and turning hours of work into minutes every single day. Here's the real reason most people fail to win with AI. They overthink it, they wait for perfection, and biggest sin, they consume AI like a Netflix show instead of turning it into cash. But you're here, and you're about to break out of that 95%. Because I'll walk you step by step through exactly what I do. No guesswork, zero fluff. Ready to stop just watching and finally start profiting with AI? Stick with me. If this is your first time here, I'm Alex Swift, not a guru, not a hype man. I'm your shortcut. Why is this channel different? Zero theory, zero wasted time. Just real action-tested hacks and honest results. Every week I take you from overwhelmed to AI empowered. My promise, you'll always leave here with something to do, not just to watch. Let's get practical, let's get results, let's get moving. Meet Jamal, a digital marketer from Dallas, Texas. Every morning, 127 emails. Every week, hours copy-pasting leads into spreadsheets. He tried working harder, result, burnout, zero growth, clients lost. Sound familiar? One day, Jamal tried what 99% still avoid. He spent just 25 minutes setting up one Zapier automation. Now every new contact from his site lands instantly in his CRM and triggers a customized welcome email. Automatic. No mistakes. By Friday, 4 hours saved, 2 deals closed he would have missed, and Jamal, smiling for the first time in months. Here's the twist. Jamal isn't a tech guy, he's just like you. He took one small action and unlocked a giant result. Now it's your turn. Jamal changed everything with a single step, but here's the crazy part. Most people see stories like his, and then do nothing. They keep waiting, hesitating, letting competitors scoop up all that extra profit. But this channel, it's for the 1% who act faster. Right now I'm unlocking 7 AI hacks nobody shares for free. But just watching changes nothing. Every second you hesitate, you're stacking up lost hours and lost dollars. So here's your move. Prove you're different. Type action in the comments if you're all in for this live AI challenge. Then pause, take notes, and attack each hack as it drops. Because today that Jamal story isn't just his, and it can be yours. Ready? Let's go. Number 1, Zapier. Let me be clear, automation is no longer optional. Jeff runs an Etsy store. In his early days, he missed urgent orders because he lived inside his inbox. One Zapier setup, now every new sale auto-notifies him, updates his sheet, and texts him when an order's at risk. No more missed chances. Want results like that? Start simple, list every task you're still repeating by hand. Don't just automate email, spreadsheet, try a multi-step zap, someone buys, info goes to CRM, sends a custom thank you, even pings your phone if it's a VIP. Pro tip, if you want next level control, tap into Zapier webhooks, copy-paste a URL, and connect almost any app, even the weird ones. Watch out. Automating doesn't mean abandoning, always test. You want real alerts, not chaos. Challenge. Set up one automation that saves you at least 30 minutes this week. Post your time win in the comments, let's see who actually shows up. Number 2, ChatGPT. Not just for text, but total business thinking. Think ChatGPT is just for emails, think again. Amanda started by using it for replies, but here's the upgrade. Let it plan your product launch, brainstorm headline tests, even summarize client calls. Here's how to level up. Set your custom instructions inside ChatGPT. I give it your brand voice up front so every prompt matches your style. Ask for, condense this contract into bullet points for a busy client, or write 3 versions of cold outreach, friendly, direct, urgent. Pro tip, always compare. Have ChatGPT rewrite your copy in different styles. Pick the highest performing one as your base. Heads up! AI can slip up, never send out raw output. Scan for details, polish for tone, and claim the result is truly yours. Challenge. Use ChatGPT to turn your latest customer complaint into a powerful testimonial, showing how you fixed the issue. Real entrepreneurs turn critics into trust and more sales. Try it and comment if you'd buy after reading your own transformation. Number 3, copy AI. Content at scale if you master the prompts. Luis ran just one dropshipping store until he started using copied AI, building 30 ads a day, each tuned to a different product or audience. It's not about typing a product name and praying for magic. Here's how you scale. Use bulk copy features, batch generate headlines, and split test. Don't guess what works, know it. Switch up the voice feature, test corporate, sarcastic, ultra short, first person. Find what your actual customers respond to. Secret hack, after creating the copy, say, make this more urgent, add a risk reversal, trim the hype. The difference in click-through can be wild. Small print, AI output can sound generic, always remix. Your brand voice wins trust, not just speed. Challenge. Create a real ad for your product with copied AI, test it live, stories, posts, email. Then share your CTR results in the comments and add one thing you learned from real feedback. Number 4, make X Integromat. Automate not just tasks, but full systems. Joe was sick of managing 12 launch spreadsheets, all by hand. One make visual flow, linked her payment confirmations, sent upsell emails, and updated reports, saving her 4 hours every Monday. How do you get this power? Draw your workflow every step, every tool you touch. Build a scenario that closes the loop for error notifications, backups, client follow-ups. Pro tip, integrate Make with Google Data Studio, real-time sales dashboards automated, no more manually updating charts. Word of caution, run a test batch before trusting a new scenario. One mistake can create more work than it solves. Challenge. Pick your top time-draining task and automate part of it today. Drop a before-after process screenshot in the comments. Number 5, Jasper. Mass content production without losing your brand. Mark's a coach who barely posted once a week. After Jasper, he's at 3 posts per day, each consistent, none generic. How to use Jasper for real depth. Build a brand voice sample, upload materials, examples. Train Jasper to write like you, not a robot. Generate content in batches, 10 headlines, 10 intros, 10 hooks, and pick the winners. Don't settle on first drafts. Advanced hack. Ask Jasper for an SEO checklist with every blog post. Get the Google juice without hiring an agency. Heads up. Don't just hit publish. Run your text through a plagiarism checker and review for platform rules. Protect your reputation and deliver value. Challenge. Create and publish 3 Jasper-powered posts this week. Comment which one hit best and why. Number 6, Notion AI. From notes to actionable intelligence. Sarah, a freelancer, doubled her client retention by letting Notion AI organize call notes, set action items, and send reminders on autopilot. Here's what separates pros from hobbyists. Organize by client type, not just topic. Use Notion AI to extract risks or spot missed opportunities in every proposal. No more blindsides. Power move. Export AI summarized notes straight to a client email or push action steps to your calendar so nothing gets lost in chaos. Just know, no AI gets your business nuances 100%. Double check anything client-facing. Challenge. Set up a weekly action board with Notion AI. Screenshot your board in comments. Number 7, Descript. Video edits in minutes, not hours. Ethan used to dread editing videos. Now with Descript, he deletes mistakes from the transcript and the footage just updates. Export, publish, done. Here's the real edge. Use Overdub to fix voice slips without re-recording. Auto-generate shorts from your main content. Pick moments with the biggest energy or CTA. Expert hack. Highlight the words, by now secret exclusive, where people pause or replay. Descript analytics show what keeps eyes and ears locked. Quick tip. Watch for watermarks on free plans and always preview edits for flow. It's about more than speed. It's about telling the story right. Challenge. Edit and post your first short with Descript today. Share the link below and watch for my reaction in the next video. Stacking these hacks isn't just a productivity boost. It's a flywheel. The more you automate, the faster every other task becomes. Start with one today, share your win, and let's build momentum together. Comment, which hack hits hardest for your business? Which one will you actually use first? Don't just watch, prove you're part of the 1% who takes action. Let's get real. Before these 7 AI hacks, your day means lost leads, copy-paste headaches, and great ideas slipping through the cracks. Always busy, never truly growing. Now picture the after. Instant follow-ups. Content scheduled, not stalled. Turning complaints into fuel for trust. Creative flow and time finally on your side. This isn't hype. It's the shift happening right now, right here for action takers. Are you stuck always hustling? Or are you ready to build your edge? Drop your answer in the comments. Your turning point starts right now. Remember, just watching is nothing, taking action is everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's break your limits together every single week.